Hi, welcome to my final demo video for the Emoji UI Picker project. First, a little bit about me. My name is Matthew Goodman, and I am a McGill computer science student here studying in Montreal, Canada. This is my first time contributing to open source, so I'm very excited to show you my project. Let's jump straight into the demo. If I go to Review Board and click on a sample review request, you get to this page. Typically, before my project, to insert an emoji, you had to write in the shortcode. For example, heart. And then when you hit OK, this will generate the heart emoji. But what if the customer does not know the shortcode to the emoji they want? And also they want to see a list of all the available emojis. Previously, they weren't able to do that until I added my project in. At the bottom of every text box, you now have an emoji icon, and which, when you click on it, opens up an emoji picker. This contains all the emojis available to the user. These are sorted into categories such as people, nature, foods, all the way up to custom. Custom emojis can be added in the future with the methods I added. Additionally, users can search for the emojis they want by using the search box. So there's heart, or let's say even ghost. And if you click on an emoji, it copy-pastes the shortcode into the text field. If you hit OK, you can see it gets generated. Also, the emoji pickers works in all the text box. So if you have one at the top of the screen, it'll also open downward to make sure it has enough room on screen to display it. If we jump back to the PowerPoint, I will talk a little bit about the design and integration of this project. So let's start with the server. On the server, we store the emoji data in something called site config, which is just persistent data storage for an instance of that site. So this contains emoji data, and it contains the emoji list, the aliases, when it was last updated, and other relevant information. And then there's also methods where I can get the emoji index, I can get emojis, add emojis, remove emojis, add and remove aliases as well. But the thing is, this emoji index is very big. It's 230 kilobytes. We don't want to send this to the client every single time they load the emojis. So what do? We store it in local storage. So they retrieve it once, and then they store it in local storage, and we'll keep checking if it's always up to date when they load it. So if I go back and I open the developer console, you can see that in the applications data, there's a key with emoji index, and this has the list of all the emojis. So future developers can also use these methods to integrate adding custom emojis themselves. So for Michelle Wang's project, she created a project where users can upload custom emojis. She can then use the add emoji method to add the actual emoji to the index. So in summary, for my project, I created an emoji registry, I created an emoji picker UI, and I added some methods to make it easier to manipulate the emoji registry. So what did I learn from this project? I learned how to build full stack applications with Python, and as a result, using Python development environments. It was also very important that I wrote high quality and readable code so that others can easily review it. I also worked on creating more robust unit tests to make sure that there's no bugs in my code. And with that, I would like to thank Review Board for this amazing experience, and thank you for watching my demo.